Good morning to all and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present you one application that I've built using Django. Django is one of the framework of Python programming language. So the application is a website. On this website, you can download the royalty-free images. So when you arrive on this website, you can see the name of the website or the logo is Afrikaimages. So after you have a home page, contact, categories, register and login. So when you scroll down, you can see the images, right? And you have here a footer. Now here you have an algorithm that helps you to go to the next page and so on. So if you see an image and you want to download, you just click on this button. Now here you see the image very well. Now you can click to download. Now you can see if you want to download, you just press on, click on OK. But I don't want to download it, that I will close it. I'm going to close. So now here now you have a contact page. So if you have a problem on this website or one suggestion, you can just come here and send us a message, right? So let's try. If I enter my name like Frank, yeah, something like that. Now I enter my email address, maybe Frank, yeah, something like that. Now just for demo, right? Now I click on send. Okay, we are going to wait a bit. Okay, you see here we have thank you Frank, we have received your message. If we go inside the database, we are going to see the message of Frank. Now let's come back. Here is a home page. Now here is the categories. It means that here you can decide to just look the children images. So you just click on children. As you can see, you have only the children images. Now the website, I've built the website in such a way that you can send us an image that we will analyze the image and publish on this website. So if you want to send the image, you just come and press on this button, right? So as you can see here, to send out an image, you need to log in. Why you need to log in? Because for each image we want to link an author. That is why you need to log in. So if you press on login, now when you arrive here, you can just enter your username and your password. And if you don't have an account, you just press here to register to create your account. So let's wait a bit. The network is not good. So now when you have pressed on it, you have a page here. You have a form that you will fill correctly to create an account. Now I've already an account and I'm going to log in. So here I'm going to put my username and put my password and click to connect. So as you can see here, when you are connected, your name will you will see your name here, right? As you can see here, my name here is Donald, right? Now if I click on send the image, now you see I have a form. Now I don't have a message but a form, right? Now I can fill the form here. I can click to send it, to choose the image here. Now here I can give the description of my image, maybe just for demo. We click to send. Now when you have sent, here you can see the message. The message say, thank you Donald, we have received your image. We are going to analyze and publish it on this website. Right now, I've shown you, I think I've shown you all the things. Yeah, here you have this research bar. You can type something, maybe children, right? And click on research. Here you can see only the picture of the child, right? So we have arrived at the end of this video. If you have enjoyed it, tell me inside the comments, right? If you have a suggestion, also tell me inside the suggestion. Now, if you like what I have done, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.